everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I'm so excited to share my favorite recipe with you. Here is the ingredients. Try my recipe at home and tell me in comment section. I love this recipe, hope you will be like it. Try this recipe in your special occasion. Let's start to make this sweet recipe. Butter, cardamom powder, mix it well. Add soya. Fry the soya for 5 minutes. Add sugar. Cook it 5 minutes. Put it in a separate pot. Now add a milk. Boil the milk. Add cardamom. Dry milk. Cook it until it's boiling. Sugar. Add a yellow food color. Mix it well. Cook it properly. Kindly subscribe my channel. Add a cream. Cook it well. Kindly follow every single step. Move forward toward last step. Strike a butter and fry the bread. Take 4 to 6 bread slices. Finalizing the dish. Saviyan is ready to eat. Enjoy this recipe.